This is our room at the Grand Floridian, 1314. So, welcome to room 1314 here at the Grand Floridian. I'm currently standing at the front door. We have a nice little picture here. If I turn to the left, we can see we do have a connecting door. That's probably a one bedroom next door, or it's another studio. This is like a good space to put some luggage. Turning straight on the right, we do have 2 bathrooms, which is great. We absolutely loved it at the Poly. That's me, hello. We got this sink space, just space down there, some shelves, just a bin, tissues, a little mirror, a big mirror, hey. Oh my god, look at the shower. Oh, the shower head's a bit, how you going? Oh yes, more body lotion. I love that. And if you come through here, this is a door, another pocket door. So, oh, maybe. Oh, it's just a bit hard. So you can shut that off so somebody can be in this space or somebody can be in this space. So this is the toilet. And then in here we have another like a bath shower combo. The fan just started. Fairly sure it's a sensor. Yes, it is. And that's the bathtub. And then just some more shampoo, conditioner, and soap, which we also had in that bathroom. Come back out. We have, I'm going to say this is a cupboard. Oh my god, I forgot. We get robes. That's unreal. Okay. Robes. What do I have in here? Hairdryer. They give you laundry detergent here. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's good to know. So some little storage space. Go back out here. Mini kitchenette, toaster, coffee machine, microwave. Down here, mini fridge. Beautiful. Usually always under the sink, some paper towel too, stuff to wash dishes. You always have a bin, we have a fire hydrant, some more paper towel. And then up here, cups, plates, ice bucket, looks like a wine thing. And then more storage space up here, snacks I guess, if you wanted. But that's all that in here. And then we get into the room. Actually, before I look at the room, there is a full-length mirror here, so you can just check yourself, you know, before you walk out the door. All right, here we are. This is the main room. Okay. I just had to turn that down a little bit. So I'm gonna look straight to our left first, just because this will be easy to show you. This here is another pull-down bed. There should be a DVD player. Yes, DVD player. And this should be a pull-down bed. Oh. Oh my god, it's Dumbo. Oh, so sweet. Look at it. Okay, put my phone up there and we can just easily pop that back up. There we go. Oh, we've got some plugs there. Then you've just got your big TV, so there's not much drawers and stuff over here. Then you've got your bed. So on this side, there's no bedside table. Annoying. Under here, you can hide your luggage because this slides. So you can hide your luggage in there. And I don't know if this like the Poly. Is this a drawer? No. More PowerPoints. Bed. Oh, I just realized the roof, how it, I don't know what this is called. Alcatraz? I'm not too sure. Okay. Then we've got 2 little chairs. We've got some tables. And then we have the other side. Oh, this is a, oh, so there's drawers on, so wait, that's a drawer there, but then this is a drawer, and that makes no sense. Why? 2 drawers in here, Holy Bible, another drawer, phone, some little things. This looks like crooked. There isn't any USB plugs. It's quite dirty back there. Normal plugs, and that's the bed with some lights. And then over here is we've got the other bed that's hiding in the wall. So let's pull this down. Oh, it's a lot easier than the poly one. Ooh. Oh wow. Okay, I've sort of left the tables there, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, that's a very pretty picture, and it looks like a light switch that doesn't work. Maybe because the bed's not all the way down? I'm not sure. And then over here we have tables and chairs. So just so you can see, I know, ignore it, it's not, but when it's out, you still got a fair bit of space over here. That's for sure. And now, let's go to the main thing. Let's get this back into couch mode. Okay. Whew, okay. Now we've got the fun part. Okay, here we go. So one thing I've noticed in this room though, now let's just take a little glance back. Oh, there's 4 power points under there, there's another one there, but there's not many power points or USB in this room. So let's open this up. Whew. Hello. Okay, to unlock. You can hear music playing out here. Oh, this is a very big balcony. I'll go stand in this corner. We are on the corner. I wanted a corner one. Oh my god. Oh wow. And then this is my resort. The wedding chapel. So we're right on the edge of the building. That's the butt going off. That is Magic Kingdom. That is Space Mountain. Right there. Like, hello, yes. Nice little greenery area. It's actually quite cold out here. But this is quite big. And then we have 2 chairs and a table. Wow. Okay. That is the room. I think I've showed you everything. I'm sorry if I've forgotten. I know my sister and cousin are outside waiting, so I've got to get some photos. But, we're here. I lied. I found some. They're under here, under the phone, near the main bed. So now you know. They're the only ones I found though.